Hello, my name is Sheena Moore with Design Essentials and my guest Chandler. And we'll be working with Design Essentials African Chebe Growth Collection. So, Chandler, what brought you in today?
Well, my hair used to be really short, and I cut it about a couple years ago, and I'm really focused on getting the growth back. I want a really healthy, good curl definition, and right now it feels really dry and a little brittle, so I'm looking to really improve that.
So, your major concerns were, since you've cut your hair, you want more growth, you want to eliminate your dryness and your brittleness. So, do you mind if I take a look?
Oh, go ahead.
Perfect. So, Chandler, after analyzing your scalp and your hair, I did notice the brittleness that you were talking about and the dryness, and we can fix that. Let's talk about your hair type. Do you know your type?
Yes, I am a 4B.
Okay, perfect. However, trick to that, most people have more than one texture. So I did notice you are a 4B. However, right along the back, it's a little straighter. So I would give you probably a 4A in that area.
Okay.
Now, the great thing is we have a line, the Design Essentials African Chebe Growth Collection, that would definitely work for all of your concerns.
Oh, sweet. Awesome.
It will alleviate the dryness. It's great for strengthening your hair and growth. And would you like to try it?
Yes, definitely.
Perfect. Step 1 is to treat using Design Essentials African Chebe Herbal Pre-Wash Intense Repair Mask. Infused with natural chebe powder, this herbal mask instantly lifts the hair cuticle and deposits nutrients essential to strengthening hair. It improves porosity and promotes hair growth. It locks in moisture and minimizes breakage caused by dryness, and nourishes strands with the strengthening power of chebe powder. Step 2 is to cleanse using the Design Essentials African Chebe Anti-Breakage Moisture Retention Shampoo. This quick lather shampoo is specially formulated to gently cleanse the scalp and remove granules from the chebe mask without stripping natural sebum or moisture from the open hair cuticles. It is a gentle formula that cleanses hair without stripping the hair of natural oils. It assists in removing granules from the Herbal Pre-Wash Intense Repair Mask, and this strengthening formula reduces breakage when detangled. Step 3 is to condition using Design Essentials African Chebe Anti-Breakage Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. It is infused with chebe plus an African blend of over 20 essential oils. This leave-in conditioner deposits hair strengthening fibers and seals moisture into the hair cuticle. It replenishes moisture and smooths the cuticle for healthier hair, saves up to 30 minutes in detangling time, and nourishes and restores hair and scalp health. Step 4 is the style. Using the Design Essentials African Chebe Strengthening and Curl Perfecting Mousse. It is infused with fiber strengthening chebe and over 20 essential oils. This leave-in therapy styler will restore and strengthen your curls. This lightweight curl boosting mousse will lock in precious moisture while simultaneously defining your curls and coils with lasting hold and no crunch. It provides intense definition to natural curls and coils with a lightweight curl boosting formula that provides a medium hold.